All right, so here I am rinsing out a 2T, so for a toddler, the turquoise, bright green, lemon yellow, V. It's going to be a matching shirt for my brother's daughter, so they can wear these together and support the ducks. So what you see me doing here is I'm rinsing under tepid water. You don't want it to be too hot or too cold. It's probably been rinsing for about 10 minutes, and I'm just cutting the strings carefully, making sure not to cut the shirt. You can see a lot of the dye still running down the drain. It's really important to make sure that you get all the string. You don't want that going down your drain and creating a problem down the road. So I'm going to keep rinsing as I'm opening the shirt. There's still quite a lot of dye coming off. The shirt was folded in half. If you notice, the water is starting to run a lot clearer now. Ah, there's some nice bright colors. More string. Got to make sure not to let that string go down the drain. Look how cute and little that shirt is. I'm just going to give it a quick rinse before I go and put it in the washing machine for its final wash. Got some good color there. Well, thank you so much for watching.